Good morning. Today I'm traveling to Jodhpur. The platform is so packed. Oh, Jesus Christ. So this is me for the next 4 hours. This is what it's like on a sleeper train in India. How you doing, brother?
Hello guys. Hello.
A few moments later.
Welcome to Jodhpur. I love how every city has a different vibe, man. Totally different than Ajmer. Totally different than Udaipur. Look at all those Tuk Tuks. But as far as driving goes, it's all the same. Super aggressive and as effective as physically possible. It smells like weed here, man. Woo. Oh my God. This is probably the most hectic traffic situation I've been in India so far on this trip. Oh man, it's so close. People are touching each other. Oh my God. The dude just snorted something, put something up his nose. Crazy! Oh my God! That's the most stressful traffic situation I've ever been in. Alright man, bye. Nadir. That's a stressful drive from the train station. I've seen crazy driving, but this was worse than anything I've ever seen.
It was good for your camera.
Is this the Blue City now? Here?
Yes, sir.
We're in the middle of the Blue City.
We have entered the middle of the Jodhpur, the central location.
Oh, beautiful. Karma Heritage Guest House. What a place. Nice. At the room? Oh, cool. Awesome. Yeah, that looks beautiful. Yeah, man. That's so nice. Even the corridor, stairwell, really, really tasteful. And this is the roof terrace. How you doing? Oh, wow. Jesus, that's perfect. I got the best spot. Oh my God, look at that. Right by the fort. Full moon also. I'm in the best location. What a vibe. And everything right at my doorstep. It actually is a lot milder here than it is in Pushkar or Udaipur, even though we are further north. No idea what way to go. Let's just see where this goes. Pretty vibey here, man. All the blue. When in doubt, go where the noise comes from. I might as well just stay at my place. Oh hi, so high, veg chef's special. It's funny how the muezzins here in India sound totally different than the ones in the Arabian world. This reminds me so much of flamenco. long time since I've seen musicians have so much fun with each other. That's so beautiful to see. Checking out another rooftop terrace. Sounds pretty much the same. There's another band playing. So over there is pretty much the same band. And there's another one over there. Sounds very similar also. That's hilarious. And I thought I ran into something special. Tattoo studio. Picture that, man. Push car comparison to this is like a different country. Okay.
In Jodhpur, here have the making in the handmade, real handmade in the villages, different home making the women. Here have the selling, the only factory outlet. You see inside have the nice patchwork, hand stitch.
Look at those. I love those colors in the. I mean, dude, if I lived in India, I'd buy all of this.
Here have the more local textile, not making story, not making in the real factory outlet, and the real women making in the handmade. You see this kind of the work. This is had the patchwork, call for the patchwork, the hand stitch, and backside you see this kind of the embroidery one. It's the silk embroidery making in the hands.
The next morning.
Good morning from Jodhpur. Let's check out the roof terrace at daytime. What a sweet place. All the little details. Morning. It's almost more spectacular at nighttime, actually. A lot of pollution. It smells a bit weird, like car fumes. Let's have breakfast. Wherever I go, I only ever book one night in advance because I had a couple of bad experiences. I didn't like the hotel room and then couldn't change it. But now, and that happens as well, sometimes the places that I do like don't have another night available. So I just had to move and found this place, which is cool. It's not quite as nice as the other one, but also kind of charming with maybe some raw walls. All right, let's go and check out Jodhpur.